Hello students, welcome to Soni Study Centre. Myself Vikram Singh, and today we are going to solve some questions of exercise 3.6. In 3.6, the equations which are given are not of the form linear equations. So first we have to reduce these equation in the form of linear equation and then simplify. So let us take first question. 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13.6. Clearly these two equations are not of the form of linear equation. We have to reduce these equation in the form of linear equation. So how we will reduce it? See here, x and y, these two are the variables and these variables are in denominator. If the variables are denominator, then the equation is not a linear equation. First, let 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. First we will assume that 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Now we will replace 1 by x with u and 1 by y with v in both equations. So first equation becomes, this is 1 upon x, replace it with u and denominator is 2, remains as it is, plus replace 1 by y with v and 3 as it is equal to 2. This is first equation, this is second, this equation is third equation, and 1 upon x is equal to u, so it becomes u upon 3 plus 1 upon y is equal to v, so it becomes v upon 2 is equal to 13/6. Now take LCM of first equation. It is 6, 2 3s are 6 and 3 into u is 3u plus 3 2s are 6, 2 into v is 2v is equal to 1 6 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. So this equation becomes 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. And take LCM here also. It is 6, 3 2s are 6, 2u plus 2 3s are 6, 3v is equal to 6 and 6 cancels, 13. Second equation, this becomes 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. Now we can solve these two equations by any method, elimination or substitution, or by cross multiplication method. So I am writing second equation here. Now make the coefficient of u equal. For making the coefficient of u equal, we have to multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. So 2 into 3, 6u plus 4v is equal to 24 and 3 2s are 6u plus 9v is equal to 39. Now on subtracting, change the sign, minus, minus and minus. So 6u minus 6u gets cancelled. This is minus 5v and it is minus 15. Now value of v is 3. When you take this minus 5 to the right hand side, then it becomes minus 15 upon minus 5 and it gives 3. Now put this v is equal to 3 in any of equation. 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. I am putting this value of v in this equation. So 3u plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12. This is 3u plus 6 is equal to 12. 3u is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6 and u is equal to 2. So value of v is 3 and value of u is 2. But we have to find out the value of x and y. So in starting, 1 upon x is equal to u assumed by us and 1 upon y is equal to v. Now replace this u by 2. So 1 upon x is equal to 2 and 1 upon y is equal to v, value of v is 3. Now cross multiply and get the value of x and y. So x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. This is the answer. Now question number 2. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2 and 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. Again, first we will reduce these two equations in the form of linear equation. So let 1 upon root x is equal to u and 1 upon root y is equal to v. Now substitute these values of 1 upon root x and 1 upon root y. So our equation becomes 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. This is equation number 3. And 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1, equation number 4. Now again we can solve these two equations with the help of cross multiplication method, elimination method or substitution method. So I am writing this equation number 4 here. Now make the coefficient of u equal. Here it is 2u and here it is 4u. So multiply this equation by 2. It becomes 4u plus 3 to the 6 v is equal to 4. And next equation is 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Again the coefficient of u is positive. So on subtracting, change the sign. 4u gets cancelled. 9 or 6 is 15v is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. So get the value of v. V becomes 5 upon 15 means 1 upon 3. So value of v is equal to 1 upon 3. Now put this value of v in equation number 3. Equation number 3 is 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. Now 2u plus 3 and value of v is 1 upon 3 is equal to 2. 3 cancelled with 3. 2u plus 1 is equal to 2. It becomes 2u is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1 and u is equal to 1 upon 2. So value of u is 1 upon 2 and value of v is 1 upon 3. But we have to calculate the value of x and y. So in starting we have assumed that 1 upon root x is equal to u and 1 upon root y is equal to v. So put the value of u and v here. 1 upon root x is equal to u is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon root y is equal to v. V is 1 upon 3. Cross multiply, so it becomes 2 is equal to root x and 3 is equal to root y. These are the values of root x and root y, but we have to calculate the value of x and y. So squaring both sides. Here you will write squaring both sides. Now x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. These are the values of x and y. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Soni Study Centre.